My name is Norja, and I have been using Reiki as my lifeline since 2002. I've also been teaching it since 2004 in both Usui and Karuna Reiki. And it's a deep relaxation and stress reduction technique. And can't we all use some more of that, especially nowadays? Reiki works on a mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical level. So Reiki means universal life force energy. And what that means is that there is unlimited amounts available to us. So when we get sick and we feel like we're off, things like that, it all has to do that the energy flow in our body does not function properly. And through Reiki sessions or Reiki classes, you can actually influence that. As you come into my office, we'll have a little conversation about what's going on in your life and what kind of stuff you want to work on. And you're going to be fully clothed on the table. Most people fall asleep, and actually in Reiki sessions, snoring is a compliment. So don't be too self-conscious about it. It's okay. A lot of gurgling in the stomach happens just because all of a sudden you're deeply relaxed. And what happens when you deeply relax? Your blood flows into your core, where the healing and repair takes place. It has been said that 1 hour of Reiki equals about 3 hours of deep sleep on a healing and repair level. The difference between a Reiki session and a Reiki class is with the Reiki class, you actually learn how to do this yourself. And everybody can learn how to do this. You can actually do it on yourself as well as on others. It's great when you have kids because you know how when your child gets hurt and you say, oh, I'll kiss it better. It's an automatic thing. In a Reiki class, you get an attunement which helps you raise your vibrational frequency, and therefore the Reiki will flow much better through your system. The more you practice, the better you get at it. So it's really important that you commit to practicing afterwards. I'm happy to help you feel better. It works great with depression and anxiety. If you'd like to book a session, book online, and I will see you there.